Hey you, let's make hoops today. First, open up the Hoop Dance workbox and take out your plumber's tubing. Yes, that's right, I said plumber's tubing. This is my original hoop, and I'll be using it for sizing. The way you measure it is from your armpit to your hand. To cut the plumber's tubing, you need to get this tool. It's an essential. Using a Sharpie or a pen, make your first line where you're going to cut your first hoop. Now, I'm measuring the new hoop to my original hoop to see how it looks for sizing, and it looks great. As I'm making these hoops, I'm thinking good thoughts, knowing I'm going to have a lot of dances with them in the future. Also, fun fact, did you know that the original hoops were made from red willow? They would bend them, dye them, and tie them together to create the circular shapes. Today, I made 8 hoops, and I'm very proud of myself. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll add more designs to the hoops.